So when we're really overwhelmed, upset, stressed, worried, when any of our emotions are on high, our brain and our body are all mixed up, just like this jar of glitter right here. Allow yourself to enjoy the experience of making this. So before I show you how to make the strategy, I wanted to show you what the strategy looks like. So when we're really overwhelmed, upset, stressed, worried, when any of our emotions are on high, our brain and our body are all mixed up, just like this jar of glitter right here. Our mind is racing, our heart is racing, we're breathing fast, and it's hard to make rational or effective decisions from this kind of place. When we're all mixed up, we might do things to hurt ourselves or others intentionally or unintentionally. And so we want to figure out a way to take a step back, slow things down, and come from a place of responding rather than reacting. And so when we can step back, pause, slow down, allow our thoughts to clear, and allow our breathing to slow, our heart rate to slow, we can respond to our emotions and the situations more effectively. And we aren't trying to make our emotions disappear. We're just trying to figure out how to respond to them in a way that's going to be the most effective. So I wanted you to see the different ways that the glitter can fall. Some of these have more corn syrup, some have more glitter glue, and some are more just glitter. And so when you watch this, depending on which one you like, is the way that I want you to follow the steps. This one has lots of corn syrup, this one's a pretty fair balance of everything, and this one's mostly just glitter. So here I have my plain jar, and I like to start with glitter glue because I just like the extra consistency that it gives as we try to calm things down. So I'm going to go with a Georgia State blue and red theme today. So you don't have to measure, just a whole glump of glue. The other thing I really love about getting to use the glitter glue is that when you squeeze it like this, you end up tensing a lot of your muscles. And when you release the glue, you relax. And so you're getting a little bit of stress relief even in creating this mindfulness jar. Tense, relax, tense, and relax. Another really great strategy for slowing things down and feeling a little bit more in control. So we've got some layers, I don't know, let's just keep going. I don't usually measure, I just kind of do it till it looks right, and I love this not perfectionistic way of coming to art. It doesn't have to be perfect, we'll just test it out and see. So we'll put a couple different shades of blue in here, give it a little bit of dimension, something really nice to look at, so that we'll want to use this jar as a way to shake things up and slow things down. Next is the corn syrup, and again, we don't have to put a certain amount in, and we're just getting started, so we'll keep playing with this. And then let's check out what happens when we add our water. I'm only going to fill it about halfway in case I decide I want to add more of any of the ingredients. Cap it on, make sure the cap is sealed. Let's give it a shake to start to mix it all up. So with the glitter glue, you have to shake quite vigorously for quite some time to get it to break up. And that's another thing I love about using the glitter glue. We have here a really full, dense amount of glitter. It's falling slowly. That means it's going to give me lots of time to breathe and step away. Let's add some more water and see what happens. Another element that's going to affect how quickly your glitter falls or how slowly it falls is the density of the glitter. So we've got some very fine glitter here, but glitter comes in all shapes and sizes. So if you are more interested in an effect like this one, those are some bigger chunks of glitter. This one's got a lot of really fine bits. Let's test it out. Let's add some more water. Keep shaking it up. So if you're experimenting and it's not going quite as you wanted, shake it up, let it fall. Just watch that start to swirl down even as the water comes in. Really allow yourself to enjoy the experience of making this. We don't have to just focus on this end product of giving ourselves a tool to calm down when our emotions get high. It's kind of like our feelings. You know, we might think we're over something, an argument or a grade, and we think about it again and our emotions start to pop back up, but check it out. Okay, it swirled back up, but it wasn't the entire thing all over again. It's not gonna be devastating for this to still be present. We can still let it be a part here and settle. So let's give it another shake and see if I can get some of that glitter off the bottom. We'll see. What I'd like for you to do is take your mindfulness jar and let's practice. So I want you to, be sure your lid is on, shake it up, and really channel in some of any of those intense feelings you've had lately. It's been midterms, and just start to notice any changes in the pace of your thoughts. Are they starting to slow? Start to notice any changes in the sensations in your body. Is your heart starting to slow after all that vigorous shaking? Can you take a couple deep breaths to slow your breathing down? And so just take a moment to appreciate the effort that you put into this new tool. And if you were like me, appreciate the willingness to experiment with it, explore, test it out. And then if you're still feeling a little shaken up, go ahead and shake it up. And then give yourself another couple moments just to find some peace as you watch it all settle. Thank you so much.